Well, hello everybody. Brandon here. Today we're working on the 1986 Jeep Comanche. We will be putting on the alternator,
because the one that came with it is probably from 1986 and is not really generating electricity very well.
and the next thing,
the blower motor
for the heater and the air conditioning unit. So we're going to be replacing the blower motor, and that's primarily what this video is about. So it's actually quite easy.
Not hard at all.
There's one wire clip that you have to disconnect.
3 8mm bolts, and that's it.
And of course I have to move like a mile of vacuum line out of the way so that I can access this area, which is pretty stupid, but it's from 1986, right between analog and digital. So one day maybe I'll just tear this engine out and quit working on it, but it's kind of fun. It's kind of fun to have it stock. Anyways, let's get to it. So here we have the engine compartment. But that thing right there is the blower motor. You can see down here.
1, 2, and then there's 1, 3.
And then there's a gasket. So the new one, I don't believe comes with a gasket. So when we get the motor out, we're gonna go ahead and inspect that gasket, see if it's good enough. We do have this plug that is right here. I've already unplugged it. And then we also have like this little tube right there. The fan itself is gonna be attached to the output shaft of the fan motor. And so we'll have to take that off and put the new motor on the old fan and see how it goes. So we got the 3 bolts out, and it just kind of falls backwards like this. We're gonna gently lift it out. Best way to do this. Best way to do it's probably not hold a phone. There we go. There's the output shaft. Use this clip to put the propeller or the fan back onto the new motor. So there it is. Pretty easy to get it out. All right, so I'm gonna take this clip off fan. See how easily this comes off. Well, here's the old motor.
The original one.
The fan, it was just kind of stuck on the end of the propeller there.
Just because it's old. This is what some of the code looks like there. You can obviously see it says 12 volt, but all the others just, I don't know, who knows, right? Here's the new motor. You just put the old fan on the new motor and secure it with the clip. And there's just that little thing that keeps it in place. I tested it, made sure that it's gonna spin the correct direction, because wouldn't that suck if you put it in and start spinning the wrong direction.
And these are, actually you can switch them directions just by making one positive and one negative.
Well, we're gonna put the gasket on there and put it in there and start it up. Here's the hole in the firewall where the fan and the fan motor sit. The gasket fits nicely on the new motor. This is the new motor installed. Very nice.